Hey, what's up guys? Adam at Time Warp Custom Paint here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prep, paint, and clear a full two-stage automotive paint job using nothing but LiME aerosol cans. This is something you can do right at home and still get professional results. Let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is sand the surface. This tank has already been primed with a 2K primer, so all the major imperfections are handled. I'm going over it with a 600 grit sanding sponge to give it a uniform scratch so the base coat has something to bite to. Once that's done, I'm going to wipe it down with wax and grease remover to get rid of any contaminants. You don't want anything sitting on the surface that can mess with adhesion or cause fisheyes later. To make things easier to spray, I'm going to hang the tank to get full access all the way around it. Now we're going to go in with black base coat. This is going to give us a deep foundation so our final color really pops. You can spray over gray primer, but starting with black is what gives you a darker, richer look, especially with colors like cobalt blue. These LiME aerosol cans come with adjustable fan pattern. For this job, I'm going to open it up nice and wide so I can lay the paint out evenly like a spray gun. When you're spraying base coat, keep your coats light. Don't try to cover it all in one pass. Build it up in 3 to 4 light coats, letting each coat flash off for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your temperature. You're looking for full, even coverage without loading it up. Once the black base coat is fully covered, we're going to move on to a cobalt blue candy pearl base coat. This is designed to give you a candy look without all the headaches of traditional candy paint. It's way more user-friendly. It covers evenly, and you're not fighting blotchiness like you would with a true transparent candy. Same thing here, light coats build it up evenly. Don't oversaturate. Let the paint do the work. Once we got full coverage and everything looks even, we're ready for clear. Now we're stepping into a 2K clear coat. 2K means 2 components. Your clear has a hardener. With the LiME double shot can, everything's built inside. To activate it, insert the ring into the plunger at the bottom of the can. Twist it 360 degrees to release the hardener. Once it's activated, you got about 12 to 24 hours to use the can before it hardens up. Clear coat goes on a little different than base coat. Start with a light tack coat to get a grip, then follow it up with wet, even coats to get that smooth, glassy finish. Give yourself about 10 to 20 minutes between coats, depending on conditions. And that's it. That's how you get a deep, glossy, professional finish using nothing but aerosol cans. All of the LiME paint supplies are available on Amazon. If you want to learn more about automotive custom paint, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.